Hello, Cool Beans viewers. Miss Debbie with the Cool Beans Learning Station. This is part 2 of the last video we made pertaining to matter, where we discussed 3 states of matter: liquids, gases, and solids, and answered the question concerning gas. Is it really there even if we can't see it? On this video, we will provide you with a couple of experiments you can conduct with your young learner showing the power of a gas if harnessed. Enjoy. Hi, it's me, the Cool Bean Science Lady. Thank you for waiting for me. I heard you were conducting a science experiment using carbon dioxide, and some of it you will use vinegar and baking soda. 2 chemicals, when put together, make a different chemical called carbon dioxide. It's chemistry. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let's get started. All right. We are outside today because our experiments need a whole lot of space. So what we're going to do first is refresh our memory on carbon dioxide and gases. We're going to pour 3 ounces of vinegar into a snack-sized baggie along with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And we're going to put it in here really quick, and we're going to close it up, seal up the bag. Let the baggie expand. What? And that's what happens. The air wanted to come out. The gas that was built, carbon dioxide, wanted to come out. Oh, now we know. Next experiment. Wow, was that the coolest ever? We mixed vinegar and baking soda and created a gas called carbon dioxide that expanded the baggie and had to get out. So now we are going to try a different way to let the carbon dioxide out. We're going to channel it by having different size holes in which the gas can escape. So with every good experiment, there's a question or a purpose for the experiment. So what's the question? The question is, what will happen if we allow the gas to be released using different size holes? What do you think? What's your prediction? What's your hypothesis? Let's give it a try. First, you'll need a glue top holder. You'll need a CD and a balloon and some carbon dioxide. Did you know that we breathe out carbon dioxide? Now let's put this over a small hole and see what happens. And we open the hole. It's a hovercraft. Wow. It's releasing slowly. You see that? Wow. Did you know that? On to the next experiment. Wow, how did you like the hovercraft experiment? Well, let's go with a little bigger hole. A straw. For this experiment, you're going to need a water bottle, a straw, a hot glue gun to be able to glue the straw in, put a hole in the container, and vinegar and baking soda. We're going to pour about 2 ounces of vinegar in our container. And then we're going to put our baking soda in. And we know it's for our last experiment. We're going to use a bigger opening. We have 3 ounces of vinegar, and we're going to use about 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Ready? Let's see what happens in a bigger hole. We put the baking soda in. We close it up really quickly. And that's not supposed to happen. Okay. Now we place And then we put the cork on. And then we set it.
Wow.
Did you enjoy that experiment? Was it not the best ever? Yes, I'm glad you enjoyed it. What was the question that was asked? Well, we asked if we take gas that seeks to be released and put it in with various size openings and let it be released either through a smaller opening or a medium-sized opening with the straw or a bigger opening with the water bottle. Which one would give the biggest bang? And it was the biggest opening, right? That's our conclusion. Did you guess that? You did. Wonderful. See you next experiment. I hope you enjoyed the experiment and can see yourself conducting it with your young scientists. Learning science should be fun and filled with predictions and conclusions. It's a fascinating world in which we live. Every day is a wonderment and an exploration. Why not harness your child's curiosity about the world around them and involve them in experiments to help them understand it all? Until next time, cool beans.